Hi, I'm going to go through the math with you just to read you the instructions. You can refer back to this video as you do each one throughout the week. So we're going to start with the math stories. So the first one is called Prickly Pear Fruit. And it reads, the prickly pear fruit is one of the fruits that grows in the desert. There are many tiny black seeds inside the prickly pear fruit. In one side of the fruit, there were 46 seeds, and in the other side, there were 23 seeds. How many seeds were in the prickly pear fruit? The next one is called How Many Eggs? And that's the story about the snake. Rattlesnakes live in the desert. Rattlesnakes lay eggs. One rattlesnake laid 38 eggs, and another rattlesnake laid 41 eggs. How many eggs did the rattlesnakes lay? And the third math story is How Many Mice? The cat loves to chase mice. One cat chased 56 mice one day, and then chased 17 more mice the next day. How many mice did the cat chase? Cool. And then in your lessons for the sheets here, the first one is dollars and dimes. It's page 39 on the bottom. And number 1 reads, Marco has $6. How many more dollars does he need to have $10 all together? Show your work. And then at the bottom it reads, Marco needs blank dollars to have $10 all together. Number 2 reads, Katie has $5. How many more dimes does she need to have $8 all together? Show your work. Katie needs blank more dimes to have $8 all together. And I know your teacher sent a link of the money study guide for you guys to use if you need help with that. On page 41, number 1, Gus had some fish. He got 6 more fish at the pet store. Now he has 11 fish. How many fish did Gus have to start with? Show your work. Gus started out with blank fish. Number 2, Mrs. Jones has ducks and sheep on her farm. The animals have a total of 6 heads and 16 legs. How many ducks does Mrs. Jones have? How many sheep does Mrs. Jones have? Show your work. Mrs. Jones has blank ducks and blank sheep. The next one, page 42 at the bottom, just on the back of that page. Fill in the missing numbers to complete the addition facts. Fill in the missing dots and numbers to complete the addition facts. Make up your own combination for these numbers. Fill in the dots and numbers. And then number 4, fill in the missing numbers to complete the pattern. And each pattern tells you how to skip count, either up or down. So make sure you look for those details. And the last page, 47, fast 9s and fast 10s. Color the 10 strips to match each addition problem. Write the answer. And down here, simply subtract. Have fun.